look nice. Oh my god, I brought it over. Well, that does look nice. So I guess this. Hello, good night. I just came in from work. I know that some of my okra is ready to be plucked. So I'm using the time wisely now to pick it. I do need to water my callalus tomorrow, so I'm gonna go ahead and water them. But this okra is growing too big. I don't want it to be tough, so I'm gonna. Oh Lord, it can't be. Oh Lord, I'm gonna twist it. I probably should have used a knife, but I'm just coming in from work. I'm gonna twine it. Please, I think I'm doing it wrong, but what can I do? So they are good. First okra. I'm gonna pick this one too. Should use a knife, but wait, I'm blocking you. I'm sorry. I'm gonna put this right here on the ground. I'm gonna try and pick this one too. I should have a knife to just slip it, but guess what? Just came in from work. I can't bother to go into the house. That's 2 okras. Okay, this okra 2. 3 okras. I know. I should have brought my knife. Don't blame me. 3 okras. Yeah, this one looks. So any more okras here? No. This has to be it. So now let's bring these suckers into the kitchen. I think I'm gonna go and give them some to my grandma. I didn't bring a scanner back because I didn't know that I would pick so much. Okay, so remember the first time when I just planted my okras? Now look at this now. Reaping time, suckers. Can't wait to taste this juicy animal. I'm gonna blend it up and eat them. Hello, so this is my okra from my garden. So from my garden to my tummy. I'm gonna go ahead and make a smoothie for dinner. So it's gonna be okra, pineapple, and bananas for dinner. So let's go ahead and blend this. Okay. I'm all done blending it up and all, so it does smell nice. Woohoo! Does it nice? Oh my god, I brought it over. Well, that does look nice. So I guess this was supposed to happen, and then I was like supposed to do something like this. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to video it at the same time doing it. Okay, let's. A little fibers there. It actually tastes really good. Alright, so that's it. So seductive. It's a really good blend. Try blending okras, banana, and pineapple. A little bit of sugar. And it should taste really good. Yummy!